Okay, let's just get to the place where we were at. Are you okay, dear? Are you feeling
Ye-
okay? Okay.
Yes,
Because please do tell me if something's not right, because I'm here to help you. Okay, let's see where we were. Okay. And we have passed the colors. We remember all the colors. Let's see. Do you have school holidays at the moment?
no,
Is it not summer break yet?
yes,
Okay, so you don't have school at school.
no,
Only doing some English classes.
yes,
Okay, and do you enjoy English?
yes,
And is it difficult for you or do you find it easy?
yes,
A little bit difficult.
yes,
Yes, but that's why we're here to help you to make it easy for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, behind each of these superheroes, there are some fruits. Let's see. If we choose number 2, they give us a little piece of a fruit.
I don't know.
Don't you know? Okay, do you want to play the next game? Don't you want to play this game? Must we do the next one? Let's try
Um,
the let's try the next one. Okay, here are some new words for us to learn. But my dear, I don't want you to worry because I do know that this is all new to you. So I don't expect you to have every answer right because I'm here to help you. And that's what we're doing in the English classes. We are helping each other to learn new words. So it's okay if you don't know all the answers. Okay?
okay,
Okay, so you don't need to be shy or to feel bad or to be scared if you don't know an answer. Okay? Because teacher is here to help you. Because that's what I love doing. I love helping children. Okay? So I'm going to try my best to be a good teacher and try and help you. Okay? Okay, have you ever seen a fruit like this?
um, um, uh,
You're right.
um, second,
Yes, I'm going to show you how we write it. Pomegranate.
my grand,
Say again. Pomegranate. Repeat after me. Pomegranate.
oh, my friend,
That's right. Do pomegranates grow in Ukraine?
no,
No, we have pomegranates where I live, and they are very nice fruits to eat. When I was a little girl, my granny's garden had a pomegranate tree, and we used to love eating the pomegranates. Okay, let's see our next fruit. This is one that is not very sweet. It has a very bitter taste. Do you know what bitter means? Have you ever tasted something that's bitter?
yeah,
Yes. Do you think you know what this one is called?
orange,
No, it looks like an orange, but it doesn't taste like an orange. I'm going to show you. We call this one a grapefruit. Another word for it is pomelo. Have you ever heard of a pomelo or a
No.
grapefruit? Have you heard of grapefruit?
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit, yes, you said that very well. And this is a very bitter fruit. Okay, and this one reminds us of an island.
Uh,
I always think of islands when I see this fruit.
pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple. I love pineapple. Do you like pineapple?
Yes.
Yes, I like pineapple. And this one is also a little bit of a difficult one. Take a guess, and then I'm going to show you the right answer. Or must I show you first? Must I show you the answer?
The melon.
A melon. Do you know what a melon tastes like?
No.
A melon is sort of sweet, but not very sweet. And you get orange melons, and you get green melons, and you get yellow melons. You get them in different colors as well. So the one they have here is a yellow melon. Let's see what our next one is. Oh, this one is a big one. Some of them are little. Sometimes you get little fruits, but this one is a big one.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Do you like watermelon?
Yes.
Yes. Who does not like watermelon? You are right. That's watermelon. And this is my favorite fruit. Do you know what this one is?
I don't know.
This one we call a mango. Mango. Have you heard of a mango?
No.
You are missing out because a mango is a delicious fruit to eat. It's also a very tropical fruit, and it has a lovely taste. So sometime when you are in a shop, you need to look for a mango and ask mom to buy you a mango. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that. Okay, what is our next one? Your favorite. Apple. Even though I know you like the green apples, this one is very, very, very sour.
Lime.
Lime, you clever girl. You see, you're actually doing very well. Okay, and this one is also something I love.
Avocado.
Avocado. That's right. Okay, it's time for a game again. And don't worry.
Yes.
We are playing it together. So don't worry if we don't have all the answers right the first time. Let's wait for it to load. There we go. Okay, how this one works is we spin the wheel. Let me just make it, shall I make it bigger for us? Is that better? Can you see the wheel? Can you see the wheel? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, how this works is we spin the wheel, and then you tell me when to stop. Oh, it stops by itself. And now you have to make me a sentence. You have to tell me something about the fruit that it stops at. So you can say, and it doesn't have to be different. Yes, but now you need to tell me in a full sentence. You need to say, I see a watermelon and the color is green and red. So you need to tell me something about the fruit that you see. Or you can tell me, I see a watermelon and I like to eat watermelon. Okay, will you be able to give me a sentence? You understand what?
Yes.
Okay, let's try with watermelon. What sentence are you going to give me?
I like watermelon.
Perfect. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Now we've taken watermelon away and it's been replaced with something else. Let's see what our next stop is going to be. And spin. Can you remember what we call this one?
Mango.
Mango, you clever girl. Okay, can you make me a sentence with the word mango?
Yes. Wait,
Okay.
No.
Okay, you can make me a sentence and tell me what colors the mango are. That won't be so difficult.
No.
Okay, must I try? Okay, I will make us a sentence. My sentence is, I enjoy eating mangoes.
My
Mangoes,
sentence. My joy mango.
I enjoy eating mangoes. Perfect. Okay, let's take that one out and it gets replaced with another one. Let's spin the wheel. Can you remember this one?
I don't know.
Pomegranate. Say pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Can you make me a sentence with pomegranate? You can tell me what color
No.
it is. Okay, I'm going to help you. A
Red.
pomegranate is red and has lots of pips inside. All these little things are called pips, pomegranate pips. So a pomegranate has many little pips inside. Okay, let's take that one away and replace it with a new one, and let's spin the wheel. Can you remember this one? Melon.
Melon.
Melon. Okay, now it's your turn to make me a sentence and tell me what color the melon is. But you need to say the melon is, and then give me the color, not just the color, not just the answer with the color. So can you make me a sentence like that?
Yellow.
Okay, but now you need to put it in a sentence for me. How are you going to do that?
Mm.
I'll help you. I see a melon and the melon is yellow in color. Can you repeat that?
And green.
And green, yes, you get green ones, you remembered well. But okay, repeat after me. I see a melon. Can you say that, Paulina? I see a lemon. Can you say that after me? I see a melon.
Yes.
Okay, I say it with me. I see a melon. and the melon is yellow. Can you repeat that after me?
Yes.
Okay, your turn to say. I see a melon.
I see melon.
And the melon is yellow.
And then is yellow.
Well done. Thank you, Paulina. Okay, let's take the melon away. Let's see what our last one. This is the last one we're going to do with this game. Let us see where we end. Ah, what is that?
Avocado.
Okay, can you make me a sentence with avocado? What sentence are you going to make
Avocado.
me? Okay, what is your sentence?
Green and yellow.
Avocado is green and yellow. And where do we use avocado? In salad. Do you put avocado in salad? Okay, let's see what is next. That was the end of that game. Let's see, then we have one more activity and okay, come on, slide. Oh dear, that's not where I wanted to go. But okay, I see our time is okay, there we are. Let's see if we can do one more activity before we greet each other. Okay, let's do 2 or 3 of these. Okay, you know what these are. How many do you see in the picture?
5.
5. Okay, let's click on 5. And then we go to the next one. Now you need to answer me in a full sentence. You can use a
2.
phrase, okay, 2, but now I want you to not just give me the answer. I want you to tell me, I see 2 red pomegranates. I see 2 red pomegranates. So you need to tell me exactly what you see.
No.
Okay, repeat it after me. I see
parents. What?
I see 2 red pomegranates.
I see. What?
Pomegranate.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's click. We're only going to do 2 more. Let's see what the next one is. If we click on 2, here we have the avocados. So now you need to tell me how many you see and what you see. Can you make the sentence like that?
4.
Okay, but now you need to tell me, I see 4 green avocados.
I see 4 avocados.
Okay, I see 4 avocados. Let's see the last one and then we are done for today. Okay, what are these? Can you remember?
Second.
Okay, but what are they?
7.
Okay, and now you need to tell me in a sentence, I see 7 green limes.
I 7 uh,
I
green.
see
I see 7 green
limes.
limes.
Okay, do you want to try one more? Can we do one more? Is that okay? No, no
No.
more. No more. Okay. Thank you, Paulina. Thank you for being in my class today. And I wish you well with your learning English. And always remember, the teachers that are here to help you. And we try to make it easy so that you can enjoy learning English. Okay? So remember, you don't have to ever be afraid or shy because we are here to help you. Okay? Will you remember that?
Lime.
That's the lime. That's right. But you will remember the teachers are here to help you. Okay? Okay. You must keep well and enjoy the rest of your day. Now you can go and rest a little bit. Okay. Okay, Paulina, I hope to see you soon again. Okay. Bye-bye, dear. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.